Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks, and we also talk about crypto and other business ventures that generate cash flows. Okay, so if you're new, please click the subscribe button. And as always, please like, share, and comment below. Okay, I'm on BankRate.com, and today's topic is about how the Fed rate hikes could impact stocks, crypto, and other investments. Here's the Wall Street trader here. He's looking up at the boards, and it's not pretty. Okay, so a lot of people don't understand interest rates. Interest rates affect every single thing you do. It says here the Federal Reserve is to raise interest rates in its June 14th, 15th meeting, and it's about 0.5%, but actually they did 0.75%. So what does this do? This causes the price of your shares, the price of your Bitcoin to come down. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example. It talks about stocks here being impacted by Fed raising rates. As you see, ChargePoint last year was trading at $35 per share. Now, again, a little bit of that is excitement, exuberance, but a lot of this has to do with the cost of money. Okay, so when interest rates are low, the cost of money is cheap, and it causes companies to buy back more of their stock, and more people can just go out and borrow money. Plain and simple, if interest rates are 5% versus 6%, people can afford a bigger house, they can afford a bigger loan because the payment is low. But that is what charged the market up, was the low interest rates for the last 10 years, and basically for the last 2 years, getting stimulus checks charged up the stock market and the crypto market. So as you can see in the current stock market, ChargePoint from a peak of $35 per share is now trading at a third at $14 per share. Actually, it's a little less than that, but point being, it's way off its highs. It's down over 60%. So that's what happens in a high rate stock market, a high interest rate stock market. So things that were worth $35 are now worth less in a high interest rate market. Also, we've seen that in Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the major cryptocurrency, is down over 60%. Again, this has to do with there not being a lot of cheap money available. Interest rates higher, that means you can afford less. Okay, we also see it in the cost of food, the cost of gas. As interest rate and inflation goes higher, things are harder and harder to acquire. So as the market crashes, and we live in this environment where interest rates are anywhere from 6 to 8%, some 9%. Okay, so you can only afford a lesser size home, and in some cases you won't be able to afford a home because the average price of a home now is about $350,000 nationwide. So at 9%, you can't afford a home. Okay, all right, now if we go to CNBC, we also see the article, mortgage demand is now roughly half of what it was a year ago as interest rates move even higher. The total mortgage application volume was 50% lower last week than the same week 1 year ago. Okay, so mortgage rates are followed by treasury yields in response to higher than expected inflation and anticipation by the Federal Reserve needed to raise rates as faster pace. Okay, so this is not good news for the stock market. It slows people down from buying stuff, but it also reduces the value of your stocks or your crypto. Again, if we look at Square stock last year, this time was trading at roughly $163, and now it's trading at $58. Again, this has to do with the rates being higher now, and I'm anticipating, because the earnings call have not come out for the current stock market. The earnings call, I think, starts in July or even August. When those new earnings call come out, these stocks will be repriced. There'll be new expectation, new price targets, and all that is, again, is controlled by the Federal Reserve. So we're going to have a 50% off sale pretty soon here. So stocks can go down as much as 50% as these rates keep hiking. Now, if you weren't watching this article says 0.5 percentage points. The Fed's plan is to raise it by 0.5% each month for the next 6 months. So again, this was just for the month of June. They're talking about raising it either 0.75 or 0.5 for the month of July. So again, this continuously hiking of the rate, this will constantly put pressure on your stocks and more stocks will fall. And also we've already seen crypto get wiped out in the last few months, as crypto is down over 50%, in some cases 70%. It depends where you bought. And just a second, I'm going to show you my current crypto position in my Bitcoin, and you'll see that it's over 50% as well. Okay, here it is. Here's my assets in my Coinbase account. As you can see, my cryptocurrency is down over 50% from a value of $578 down to $231 as the crypto market has crashed. Okay, so as the rates go up, the crypto market will continue to go down until we get to a point where they stop raising interest rates. Okay, so not a lot to announce here, but just know that your prices of your high flyers, your Bitcoin and Ethereum and other stocks related to crypto are going to be down another 20, 30, in some cases up to 50%. And you see it here, even in my Celsius networks, I now have $273 from back in November, $1,100 of crypto of Ethereum. So again, all assets are being hit as the Fed raises interest rates. Okay, so that is the news. I just wanted to do this video to help you understand that as rates rise, this will affect all your investments. So again, this video was about how the Fed rates hike could impact your stocks, your crypto, and other investments. And as you see, the Fed will continue to raise interest rates until they get a handle on this inflation. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and don't forget to get your free crypto by using my Coinbase link below. And everybody have a great weekend.